Hi guys, Will, just time prepping. How you guys doing? Hey, in case you guys can't tell, I'm doing a VR for this guy right here, James McIntyre. Now, James is not just a niche kind of guy. He has several niches. Several. Most of us have several interests. He has several niches. He has camping, he has hunting, he has fishing, he has prepping, he has cooking, uh, auto maintenance. He's just a well-rounded out person. So it would be to your benefit to go over there and see what he has to offer. All you have to do is go over there and look. And if you're not subscribed to him, make sure that you do that in his little red button down there. And tell you another thing, click that bell so that every time he puts out a new video, you know about it. Because this guy is into so many things, you don't want to miss one darn thing about it. So it's important that you get over there and check him out. If you're on James's channel and you've never heard of me before, go ahead and feel free to click my little red button and my bell as well so that you can get some of my content over there. I do prepping and I also do some networking, and I go around and I watch a lot of supporters live streams to give support back to the community. So uh, anyway, this is all about James. I want you guys to get over there and check him out. You have to watch his video though, because I am not going to be the one to tell you how to get in. No, I'll tell you one thing for sure is you have to tell him that I sent you over there so I get my extra chance. And also you have to be subscribed. But there's a couple of other things, and I'm going to leave that up to him, this guy right here, to tell you what you have to do. So get over there. Get over there and check him out. He is a decent guy, down to earth family man, and we all like family men. All right, on to one other thing. We're going to be doing a live stream tonight on my channel. It starts at 8 p.m. Mountain Time. And we always do a drawing on that night. But in order to get into the drawing, you have to come to my Wednesday live stream. You guys all know the rules that go there all the time. But for the ones that don't, we do a live stream on Wednesday mornings. And no matter what you do, even if you're at work or whatever, you can just pop in on your break, say hi, visit with a couple of people, and jump out and go back to work. That's what has to be done. But as long as I see that you come in and make an effort to come in and say at least say hi and spend a couple of minutes with us, your name will go onto the list to be in the drawing on Saturday night. Now, here's the second kicker for Saturday night. You have to be there to win. And we always draw within the last half hour of the show. My show lasts simple hour and a half. So you need to come in there and spend some time with us and be there for when we spin the wheel. So when the wheel gets spun, a name comes up and we have a winner. This week's gift for the drawing is going to be this book right here. I don't know if you guys have heard of it or not. It's The Green Wizard Guide. It's by, I'll try to get it up there, Ron Neitzel. He is also a creator on YouTube, and he is called The Green Wizard, or his name, Ron Neitzel. And he has plenty of information in this book telling people how to grow gardens, or even if you're an avid gardener or farmer, this book will help you immensely. The book's also sold out on Amazon, so if you're not fortunate enough to win it tonight, you can also get a copy of it over on Amazon. Go check it out. All right, that's what I've got for you guys for today. So guess what? You guys know I can't do any of it without you. As usual, God bless you. God bless me. God bless USA. Till next time, you guys, have a good one.